Okay, this pancetta is just about done. Oh yeah, pancetta smells good, looks good. I'm going to put it right here on this towel to dry and cool. Next step here, we're working with green beans. I suggest you find the best beans you can. You're going to cut off the top and the bottom like this, and we're going to cut them into small pieces. And after a while you'll get the hang of this and you'll go a little faster, and then before you know it you'll be an expert green bean cleaner. Okay, so that pound of green beans took me about 3 minutes. It takes a little time to work on these babies, but then you get them ready to go. Actually, I think I have 1.5 pounds here. You get them ready to go, and then they get blanched in boiling water. Okay, these beans are looking really good. You want to check one. Oh yeah, perfect. Now these get drained and then they get shocked in cold water. Next step, we're cutting up the chicken. Okay, and for that I like to trim my chicken breasts a little bit. Make sure there's no tendons in here. Silver skin like this. Remove that stuff right off of there. Okay, that's a beautiful clean chicken breast right there. We're going to go with the large chunk on this recipe. Just like this. And then we're going to lightly flour this. Hot pan, so a little bit of the pancetta fat, plus you got to have a little olive oil as well. The chicken goes in. We let it brown. Sea salt, fresh pepper, okay, the chicken is getting brown. It's about halfway cooked. At this point, we add a little bit of the pancetta. And a little bit of chicken stock, a few tablespoons. And then we put this in a large pan like this, and we repeat the steps. Yes. Okay, next we've got the garlic and the onions, and for that I like to line them up like this, smash them with my knife. It's fast. Okay, and then we give them a quick peel. This is the real deal right here, and this is the best way to do it. Right there I got a whole bulb of garlic ready to go. With this particular recipe, it doesn't need to be finely chopped because it's going to cook for a long time. So I'm just going to give it a little chop like this. Chop for a couple peels in there. Yep. Alright, so this is good to go. And for the onion, same deal. Large pieces are fine. So we're going to peel the onion. Reserve the peels for stock, later date. Another recipe. Okay. Once the onion is peeled, we're going to just cut it into wedges like this. Okay. Okay, tomatoes, we're going to remove the tops like this, and we're going to just cut these tomatoes into some large wedges like this. Basil just gets chopped up very, very quickly. It's all going to roast together in this stew. And that's good right there. At this point, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oregano. Also adding a tablespoon of diced shallots. A little more oil. Fresh basil. Okay, at this point, we're looking really, really good. Oh yeah. Chicken and pancetta go back in. All together. All together now. All together now. All right. You can see this recipe takes a lot of steps, takes a lot of time, but the end result, oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Now, all this goes back in the roasting pan. We're gonna cover it. We're gonna bake it at 350 for about 45 minutes. Yeah, how does that look so far? Green beans go on top of the stew, just like this. And then we put a little bit of fresh grated A little bit of fresh grated Parmigiano Reggiano right over the top. And then it gets covered, baked in the oven, 350, approximately 45 minutes. Oh yeah, and that right there is some perfect rice pilaf. Don't want to forget to remove the bay leaf. Yeah. Okay, plating up this Italian chicken stew. I like to start with a little bit of the rice pilaf. Goes right in the middle of the plate like this. A generous amount would be nice. Oh yeah. And then we're gonna add the stew. So here we go. We got the green beans, the chicken, and the tomatoes. Right like this. We're gonna put some in the front and some in the back. Of course, the juice, that should go right over the rice. Oh yeah. That's gonna be really, really good. A little more chicken there. Yeah, and we're gonna finish this dish. We're gonna garnish with a little bit more of the pancetta right on top. A sprinkle of a drizzle of white truffle oil. A little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano. As well as some fresh basil. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. Oh, it's gonna be good. Yeah, you gotta have that.